What if I told you that financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a journey with 7 distinct levels. And depending on where you are right now, you could be closer to true freedom than you think. But here's the catch. Most people don't even know which level they're on. So, which one are you on? Stick around as we break down each level step by step, from surviving paycheck to having so much freedom that money is no longer a concern. Let's unlock the money mindset that could change your life. Level 1 is total dependence. This is where many of us start. You rely on others, family, government aid, or credit to get by. Your income isn't enough to cover basic needs consistently. There's often debt, stress, and a constant feeling of just trying to make it through the month. This is survival mode, and escaping it starts with one thing: awareness. At level 2, you reach financial solvency. You're finally able to pay your bills on time without borrowing. You're earning just enough to stay afloat, but there's still little to no savings, and emergencies can throw everything off. It's progress, but you're still on unstable ground. This is the point where the right wealth-building habits become crucial. Level 3 is financial stability. You've got a small emergency fund, no high-interest debt, and a bit of breathing room. You can handle surprises, car breaks down, you fix it. No need to panic or swipe a credit card. This is where people start to feel a shift. The stress lowers, confidence builds, and now you can start planning ahead. At level 4, welcome to financial security. Here, your essential expenses are covered by passive income or savings. Maybe you've got rental income, dividends, or a side hustle bringing in steady cash. It's not complete freedom yet, but it means if you lose your job tomorrow, you won't lose your mind. This is a strong foundation. You're no longer working out of fear, you're working with purpose. Now, level 5, financial independence. You no longer need to work. Your investments or business income cover your lifestyle. You can choose how to spend your time, whether it's traveling, learning, or just slowing down. This is the level most people dream of when they think of financial freedom. But the journey doesn't stop here. Level 6 is where you experience true financial freedom. You can do what you want, when you want, without money being a factor. Your time is fully yours. You're not just living comfortably, you're thriving. The goal here isn't just money, but peace of mind. And the mindset that brought you here? It's built on consistency, not luck. And finally, level 7, financial abundance. At this stage, you have more than enough, not just for yourself, but to make an impact. You're giving, mentoring, creating opportunities for others. Money becomes a tool for meaning. You're no longer asking, how can I afford this? But how can I serve more with what I've built? This is where legacy begins. Now that you've seen all 7 levels, where are you today? And more importantly, where do you want to be? The path from dependence to abundance doesn't happen overnight, but every step counts. Start by shifting your money mindset, building healthy financial habits, and staying intentional. Financial freedom isn't just for the rich. It's for anyone who's willing to be consistent and intentional. And remember, it's not just about how much you earn, it's about how well you manage and multiply what you already have. If this video gave you clarity, drop a comment below with your current level. Let's talk about it. And if you want more real, practical videos on wealth building and financial independence, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your future self will thank you.